Most of the people are having a dream of going abroad and settle. And their first choice of country everyone wants to go is UAE. Like every other country, UAE is also having different types of visas. These visas are depends on your qualification, your experience as well as other criteria. This video is for the people who are planning to UAE and settle. If you like this session, after watching, please click on like button. In UAE, we have different types of visas. Nearly we have 10 types of visas. Now we will learn every visa one by one. First, we have tourist visa. So, what is the duration of this visa? This visa is having 30 days short term visa. This visa is having singular multiple entry. Long term tourist visa provides 60 to 90 days duration of stay in UAE. And here also you have singular multiple entry. What is the eligibility of tourist visa? Most nationalities can apply. So basically everyone can apply other than UAE people, often sponsored by UAE based airline, hotel or travel agency. So if you have anyone in UAE or anyone wants to provide the tourist visa, you can apply through those people. Most common settings where you will get this tourist visa is from UAE based airline, hotels as well as travel agencies. Next one is visit visa for family or friends visit sponsored by a relative or friend who is a UAE resident. This visit visa is having duration of 30 days, 60 days or 90 days and it can be expanded based on necessity. You can extend this visa. Most of the time, job seekers will use this visit visa where you need to have your relative or friend who must be a UAE resident in order to get visit visa. And also, if anyone looking for jobs in UAE, USA and India, join in our WhatsApp group. Group link is the description of this video. And also, if anyone looking for same day surgery coding training, IPDRG training, SCC coding training, as well as CC certification training, please contact 707 526 3939. Next visa is visa on arrival. So who is eligible for this visa? Citizens of certain countries. Example USA, UK, EU and Australia. Here EU means European countries or European Union. These countries people are having a benefit of visa on arrival. Means they don't need to take UAE visa before coming to UAE. So after coming to UAE also they will take the visa. Here also the common durations are 30 to 90 days depending on nationality. Next one is transit visa. So in transit visa these are not based on the days, these are based on the hours. So basically in transit visa we have two types of options. So 48 hour and 96 hour. So what is the eligibility for this transit visa? This must be sponsored by UAE based airline for travels transitioning through UAE airport. And as it is a transit visa, this visa is not extendable. So if you want to stay after 96 hours, you don't have permission in order to stay in UAE if you are on transit visa. Next one is employment visa. Most of the time this visa will be issued for individuals hired by a UAE company. For example, if you got a job in UAE company, those company will apply for your employment visa. If the UAE company provides the employment visa, you have a chance of getting residence permit. So the conditions for employment visa is based on medical test as well as ID procedures which are necessitated by the UAE government. Next one is residence visa. For whom they will give this visa? For employment, family sponsorship, property ownership, retirement, long-term investment purpose. The residence visa validity is for 1 to 10 years depending on visa type. And please mention in the comment section what type of visa you are looking for, and if you are currently working in or staying in UAE, which type of visa you have currently. Next one is student visa. As the name suggests, this visa is for the students who want to study in UAE based universities or colleges. So if you want to get student visa, you need to be sponsored by the UAE based educational institutions. Next one is golden visa. So nowadays most of the celebrities are getting this visa, and we have seen this wording in the news as well as TV promotions. So what is this golden visa? So if you have golden visa, you can stay long term like 5 or 10 years based on your preference. So who will get this golden visa? Investors. For example, if you want to spend money and if you want to become entrepreneur in UAE, or if you have any specialized talents, if you are researcher or outstanding students, get golden visa. So if you have the money and if you want to start business in UAE, so you will get this golden visa directly based on your criteria. You need to contact UAE government. So they will provide the golden visa as you are spending your money in UAE. Next one is green visa. So this is the new category for freelancers, self-employed and skilled workers. So the maximum validity for green visa is 5 years. So for this visa, you no need to have UAE employer sponsorship. Directly, you can apply for this visa. Next one is mission or temporary work visa. So for example, if you want to work in short-term basis, you can have this UAE visa. As we have discussed employment visa, this mission temporary work visa also sponsored by the companies who are having project based or temporary based assignments. So here what is the important thing we need to understand? If you want to go to UAE and settle, you need to choose the type of visa based on your circumstances. For example, if you have a relative or any neighbor, you can ask them for visit visa, as most of the medical coders are going using visit visa, and they will stay for UAE for few days and they will search for medical coding job in UAE. So thanks for attending or visiting Fast Coder 21. So always my intention is to provide some valuable content on my YouTube channel and also assist you in getting jobs in UAE, USA and India. If you like this session, please click on like button.